Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to see how to navigate our viewport in Houdini. At the top we can see the title bar, software name and the software version. After title bar we have a menu bar, file, edit, render, these all are menus. Then below the menu bar we can see all the different types of shells. In shells we can see the tools or the icons related to the particular shelf. On the left hand side we can see the tool panel. On the right hand side we can see a parameters window. Then below the parameter window there is a network editor or a node graph. Here big screen we can see this is called as a viewport. We can see all the 4 viewports in the Houdini too, but for now we will work on the single viewport. And at the bottom we can see a play bar. We can play the animation or the simulation using this play bar.